Hi guys, welcome to my channel WinChem. Today we are going to see a quantum chemistry in that Huckel molecular orbital theory. Okay, in this only 3 or 4 molecules they used to ask. How we have to do the basic things, I'll explain it, and we will see some of the problems and what we need to the tricks, what we need to keep it in our mind, how to do it, everything we will see in fast. Okay, ethylene, we know this is the formula. How many carbon atoms are there, that many energy levels will be there, that many lobes will be there in that molecular orbital. Okay, here 2 carbon atoms are there, so 2 lobes we have to write it. The first energy levels we need to go like this. Okay, the first energy level E1, the first lobes will be on the shaded one. So here nodes, there is a no node will be there, there's 0 nodes. In here the lobes are in the different position, there's a node will be there. Here one node is there, so node number 1. The 2 energy levels are there. How to write this wave functions, I'll tell you. Yes, easily I will tell you. With the help of this, here the lobes are in the same position. If the lobes are in the shaded lobes are in the top, we need to take it as a plus sign. So here the 2 lobes or shaded lobes are in the top. So plus sign, C1, Psi1 plus C2, Psi2. C1, C2 are the coefficients and these 2 are carbon atoms. Okay. And in the same way, Psi2, for this one, C1 lobes are in the top plus 1. Here C2, here this carbon atom is having the lobes in the down. So minus C2, Psi2. Okay, this is the coefficient and C2. The same way we have to do for ethylene, allyl and butadiene. I'll explain in fast. Here 3 carbon atoms are there. So 3 energy levels and 3 levels will be there. Okay, 3 carbon atoms and 3 levels will be. The first level, if you see, all the lobes are in the top. Okay, shaded lobes are in the top, so there is a no node. If there is a difference in the lobes, shaded lobes, then only we will get a node. See here, there is a difference in the node, then we will get a node. Here one node will be there. See, and one more thing, we can easily keep it in our mind, the ground state, that the nodes will be 0. And the first excited state, the node will be 1. That is a second energy level, we will get 1 node. According to the, if the energy level is 2, node will be 1. The energy level is 3, node will be 2. So according to that, it will decrease. So you can easily remember according to the energy levels or the excited state, whatever it is. So one thing you need to keep it in your mind, the ground state, the node will be 0. In the second, if you see that, the wave function also you can see simultaneously. All the lobes are plus. So all the lobes, shaded lobes on the top, so plus positive signs. One of the only 2 lobes will be there. So one is C1 and C3. So C1 and C3 is there, and that too in opposite side. One is positive, one is negative. So positive, negative. See here positive, positive. One is in between, C2 is negative. So C2 is negative. According to that, we can write the wave function easily. Okay, this is the easy way to write the wave function. That's why I mentioned here itself. I'll tell you how to find the energy levels easily. Okay, a butadiene, in the second way, the 4 carbon atoms are there, so 4 energy levels are there. So first, all the lobes are in the, always the first one, all the lobes on the top will be shaded. And one node means it should be same. If there is a difference only, they will get a node. Here there is no node, here there is no node, but here there is a node will be there. Okay, here there is a node will be there. If you see here, the difference is there. So here one node, no difference. Here one node. If you see here there is a 1 node, 2 node, 3 nodes. 3 nodes will be there. So according to that, we have to write it. Okay, this is also, as I said here, the same way I have written here also. Easy to write the wave function. Okay, all the lobes are positive. Here, these 2, 1 and 2 are positive, 3 and 4 are negative. 1 and 2 are positive, 3 and 4 are negative. Here, 1 and 4 are positive, 2 and 3 are negative. 2 and 3 are negative, 1 and 4 are positive. And see here, 1, 3. 1 and 3 positive, 2 and 4 negative. 2 and 4 negative. So according to this, we need to write it. Earlier, we saw these 3. You know, this is ethylene, allyl and butadiene. These 3 cases we saw that energy level 1 and 2, energy level according to the carbon atoms, the energy levels are there. In these 3 cases we saw that. But if it is a cyclo compound, how it will be the energy case? How it will be the energy cases? Okay, that I will tell you how the secret also easy to remember. Okay, you just make a circle. One of the corner, it should be at the down. Make one of the corner should be down. And keep it like this. So we can write it 1, 2, 3. So this is the first one, this is second one. According to that, we can do. If this is a degeneracy level, this is bonding molecular orbital. The same way here, one of the corner, it should be down. Okay, keep it one of the corner should be down. Remaining everything should be as it is. Okay, one of the corners should be down. So how many levels? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Here like this. These are degeneracy level. Here also one degeneracy level. Here also one degeneracy level. In this benzene, we'll see in benzene. Okay, in this benzene, you see the benzene, see two degeneracy levels are there. This one, this one. Okay, two degeneracy levels are there. Here bonding molecular orbital, here anti-bonding molecular orbital, here anti-bonding molecular orbital. Here one degeneracy, here one degeneracy, bonding molecular orbital. This is the case we need to write the energy levels. Okay, this is the first trick you need to keep it in your mind. These are all the levels you can calculate, but it takes too much time during the exam time. So better you can remember these levels. It's very easy to remember. If you see here, the bonding molecular orbital for all the cyclic compound is the same. And the same way, the anti-bonding molecular orbital, that is also same. See, this is bonding molecular orbital. Here also alpha plus 2 beta, alpha plus 2 beta, alpha plus 2 beta. In these three cases, the bonding molecular orbital is same. In the same way, anti-bonding molecular orbital, alpha minus 2 beta, alpha minus 2 beta. In these two cases, anti-bonding molecular orbital. In the cyclic propyl, cyclic propyl, you have one degeneracy level. In the cyclobutadiene is also one degeneracy level. In the benzene, you have two degeneracy levels. Here one degeneracy levels, here also one degeneracy levels, here two degeneracy levels. You need to keep it in your mind. Okay, these are all the things you need to keep it in your mind. This is the first trick. And the second one I'll tell you. In this is E1, E2, here E1, E2, E3, here E1, E2, E3, E4. According to the number of carbon atoms, that many energy levels are there. I already said. Okay, I'll tell you that how to write the psi function also, wave function also, how to write the equation. I already said. In that, one more trick is there. This is the second trick. You need to keep it in your mind. Okay, second trick. What is that? In this ethylene compound, here two carbon atoms are there, and the two carbon atoms are same. The C1 and C2 is the coefficient of C1 and C2 is same. That the value is 1 by root 2. Okay, 1 by root 2 for ethylene compound. Okay, this is the same. And for allyl compound, C1 and C3 is same. Okay, C1 and C3 is same. C1 and C3, which is equal to 1 by 2, and C2, which is equal to root 2 by 2. This is the value. You can keep it in mind. And butadiene, C1 and C4 is same, and C2, C3 is same. C2 and C1 and C4 is same. C2 and if you see the structure itself, you can easily come to know. Okay, see here, this is 1 and 4. See, these two are CH2, CH2. Here CH, CH. C2 and C3 is same. So these two carbon atoms are same, these two carbon atoms are same. If you see here also, these two carbon atoms are same. Okay, if you see the lobes also here in allyl compound, you can see them. 3 lobes are there in the allyl compound. Okay, 3 lobes will be there. The first lobe you can see, all the upper will be like this. Okay, the first lobe. In this also C1, C2, C1 and C3 is same. And the last one also, if you check it, the last one also, these two are same. This is only will be there. Like this will be there. So the C1 and C3 will be same. C1 carbon atom and C3 carbon atom are same. Okay, and the C2 alone is different. That is root 2 by 2. In this cases, the C1 and C4, which is equal to 0.372, here 0.602. This is the value. If you substitute these value in the psi equation, I already said, the psi equation for these three, if you substitute, you will get the equations. That you need to keep it in your mind. These are the second trick we need to, okay, this is the first one and this is the second one. And the third trick, what is that, what is the third trick, the sum of the squares of the coefficients, sum of the squares of the coefficients, which is equal to 1. Okay, sum of the squares of the coefficients will be 1. In all the equations, if you make it a sum, even in ethylene and allyl and butadiene, if you sum of the squares, it should be 1. If it is not there, then the sum of the values will be wrong. You can check according to that. That is the trick 1. And another one in that, how to check whether the equation is right or not. I already said, C1, C2, C3, C1, C3 and C1, C4, C2, C3. These values you can check. You can check whether the C1 and C4, if it is a butadiene, the value is same or not. You can check it. In C2, it may be some other value. For example, the first equation itself, I'll tell you which one I am saying like that. The first Psi1 is equal to C1 and C2, I said, C1 means 0.3721 plus C2 0.602 Xi2 plus C3 0.602 Xi3 plus 0.372 Xi4. It should be like this. If it is not there, then this equation is right. So what is that? C1 and C4 is same, C2, C3 is same. If it is same, then this equation is right. If something is changed, then you can see the value is changed, means this equation is not correct. And the sign is also, you know that how to write this plus and minus sign also. I said the tricks in the earlier one. So you can easily see that. So this is the trick number 3. The first trick already said in the previous board. And this is the second one. This is the third three tricks are there. You keep it in your mind in this.
Subscribe my channel and click the bell button for further notification.